Remember to park on a level surface and turn off the ignition before starting. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, fully open the glove box. Locate the release tabs or screws on the sides. Some models use plastic clips. Gently pull down or release the glove box to access the filter housing. Press the tabs on the filter cover to remove it. Then pull out the old filter. Note the filter's orientation. Usually, an arrow indicates airflow direction. This is essential for installing the new filter correctly. With the old filter removed, insert the new filter into the housing, matching the airflow direction you noted earlier. Typically, the airflow arrow points towards the cabin. Ensure the filter fits snugly. Reattach the filter cover, making sure it snaps securely into place. Close the glove box completely. Now, test your Yukon's HVAC system to ensure proper airflow and operation. Consider using an aftermarket filter with activated carbon or HEPA-like materials for improved air quality, especially if you live in an area prone to dust or allergens. Changing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually keeps your air clean.